welcome to another video. Now in today's tutorials we are going to solve the system of equation. Here we have a plus b equals 2 and ab equals 1. So let's call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. Okay, now from equation 1 we can make a the subject here. That will be a equals 2 minus b. That will be the third equation. So let's put 3 in 2 here. So that is ab. So we have a as 2 minus b times b equals to 1. So this side 2b minus b squared equals to 1. So this one is a quadratic. Let's arrange it by sending everything to the other side. So we have b squared minus 2b plus 1 equals to 0. So let's compare this one with the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus what is 0. So a is 1, b is minus 2, c is 1. So we have minus b plus or minus 4ac on 2a. So let's call this one x. So whatever that we get to be the value of b. Okay, so let's plug in. So minus 2 minus 2 squared 4 times a times c on 2 times 1. So we have 2 plus or minus so the square root of 4 minus 4 minus 4 on 2. Yeah, okay, so this side will be x plus or minus square root of 0 over 2. So this side is 0. So we have x equals to 2 plus or minus 0 on 2. So 2 plus, so we have 2 over 2. Okay, that is 1. So this side you can't say 2 plus 0, 2 minus 0. Okay, so let's take b as 1. All right, so we have b as 1. If b equals to 1, let's find a. So a will be, so once I plug in, I have a plus b equals 2. So if I put 1 here, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So a is equal to 1. So a1, b1, 2. So 1 times 1, 1. As simple as that. Okay, so we have that. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.